G'day champs, Dale here. Today we're making something that's an absolute game changer for your barbecues. My incredible Asian Slaw. It's super fresh, crunchy, and perfect for a big summer spread. We're also covering a secret technique that makes it even more versatile. The key to a great slaw is texture, so we're going to get a little bit hands-on with this. I'm starting with a cabbage, using both red and green for colours and texture, and I'm going to finely shred it. Next, we'll also shred the carrots and then the capsicum. This is my favorite trick. As you chop, add all the shredded vegetables directly to a big pot or bowl. This does two things. It keeps the vegetables from going brown and helps everything mix together uniformly. I'll definitely need a big pot for this one. Now that our vegetables are drained, we'll add our fresh herbs and chilies. When it comes to the chili, you have a choice. For more heat, you can cut it into rounds, keeping the seeds and white pith intact. Or, to reduce the heat, julienne the chili, removing the seeds and pith. This is where you can really play with the flavour. Today I'm using coriander, mint and spring onions, but feel free to add other herbs like shiso, Vietnamese mint or Thai basil if you can find them. Now the dressings. I'm giving you two amazing options here. For a spicy fermented kick, we've got the Gochujang vinaigrette, or if you want something rich and creamy, we have the peanut dressing. Both are winners, it just depends on what you're serving it with. And the final step is to combine it all. Remember, you want to do this right before you serve it so the slaw stays nice and crisp. Pour over your dressing and give it a good toss. Now for that bonus tip I promised. You can take this slaw undressed and turn it into an amazing cheat stir fry. Just toss it in a hot wok with some soy sauce and you've got an instant side dish. And there you have it, a super versatile, fresh and delicious Asian slaw. Don't forget to grab the full recipe on my blog. All the links are in the description. Thanks for watching.